Welcome to our journey through the future. Today, we'll explore some of the most exciting events expected from 2025 to 2100. Fasten your seatbelts as we embark on this exhilarating voyage through time. From the return to the moon to colonizing other planets, the next century promises unprecedented discovery and advancement. The year is 2025. For the first time in over half a century, humans will walk on the moon again. The Artemis program, led by NASA, aims to establish a sustained human presence on the moon. Imagine scientists conducting groundbreaking research and astronauts venturing further into the lunar landscape. The Artemis program is a stepping stone to even bolder ambitions, including missions to Mars. It's a reminder that the boundaries of human achievement are limitless. In 2029, the asteroid Apophis will make a remarkably close approach to Earth, coming within just 32,000 kilometers. This event offers a unique opportunity for astronomers to study an asteroid up close, gathering valuable data. While Apophis poses no immediate danger, its passage underscores the importance of continued research in planetary defense. The year is 2030, and the dream of reaching Mars is about to become a reality. SpaceX's Starship program aims to send the first humans to the Red Planet. Picture a spacecraft carrying 100 passengers, embarking on a journey to establish the first human colony on another planet. This is not science fiction, but the future unfolding before our eyes. Fast forward to 2050, and the Martian landscape is a burgeoning human settlement. Imagine domed habitats, hydroponic farms, and rovers exploring the plains. This new frontier will demand innovative solutions, creating a new branch of human civilization. In 2061, Halley's Comet will grace our skies once more. Its appearance promises to spark awe and wonder, just as it did in 1986. Halley's Comet is a time capsule, carrying secrets of the early solar system. Its study provides invaluable insights into the formation of our cosmic neighborhood. The year is 2069, and humanity embarks on its most ambitious mission yet, a probe to Alpha Centauri. Imagine a spacecraft traveling at a significant fraction of the speed of light, carrying the hopes and dreams of a species eager to explore beyond its own solar system. The scientific payoff could be immeasurable, redefining our understanding of the universe. In 2075, the ozone layer will have fully recovered, thanks to global efforts to phase out ozone-depleting substances. Imagine a world where the threat of skin cancer and environmental damage is significantly reduced. The recovery of the ozone layer is a powerful reminder that we can reverse significant environmental damage. The year is 2095, and the Amazon rainforest has been decimated by deforestation. The consequences are dire accelerated climate change, mass extinction, and the loss of invaluable ecosystems. This tragic loss underscores the urgent need for sustainable practices and protecting our planet's remaining forests. The year is 2100, and the world's population has reached 12 billion people. This demographic shift will require innovative solutions, from sustainable agriculture to efficient energy production. The challenges are immense, but so too is our capacity for innovation and cooperation. As we conclude our journey through the future, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. The next century holds both immense promise and significant challenges. The future is not predetermined. It is a tapestry woven by our choices and actions. By embracing scientific curiosity and global cooperation, we can create a future worthy of our aspirations. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey through the future. The next century promises to be a time of unprecedented discovery and advancement. Let us strive to create a future where scientific curiosity and environmental stewardship guide our path. The cosmos awaits. Stay tuned for more exciting content about our universe and beyond.